DPS really unbalanced? Not really. You guys lost a lot of people. I think 2 and 4 has more heavy hitters than 1 and 3. Alright, let's go. Oh yeah, maybe you turn on like the in-game DPS meter. It's like on your quest log. Okay, crystals. Range go to the number 1. Oh no. Okay, I think Les don't know what to do. Okay, activate the crystal. Okay, so the ranged crystal is behind us. It should still be okay. Alright, get ready to teleport. Alright, stay in the spot. Do not move out. Wait for the share. Get together. The dragon will jump over. Alright, I'll try to turn the dragon around. Try to go to the dragon's tail, guys. Alright, stay away from me. I got the tank buster again. Okay, another set of crystals. Okay, positioning is good. The crystal is at the right claw of the dragon. Alright, activate. Okay, get ready to teleport. Still lost, I feel. Yeah, try to kill the swords, the mobs. They hurt. Okay, we didn't lose anybody really. Yeah, everyone stay together. There's one more share damage before we go to the island. Try not to die here, share the damage together. Try to base out the boss attack. Okay, 1-3 to number 1, 2-4 to number 2. Get ready to get launched. Okay, Les is at number 1. Okay, well we have a backup healer for number 2 and 4, should be okay. And make sure to take the portal when you see it. Yeah, take the portal, swap. Alright, Radiant Crystal, you guys have to chill a bit, stop hitting. Okay, come over the portal and help. Okay, we should be okay. Yeah, double jump. Double jump down the island, back to the main island. Oh, I saw somebody fall. Okay, we lost quite a few. Yeah, everyone go to the tail of the dragon, not the head. The dragon will do like a breath attack almost immediately after getting up, I think. Okay, did the tank buster this time. Whatever. Yeah, you have to jump to the edge. Like there's like a bulge. There's like a bulge on the island. Okay, the range crystal is at number 2. Don't activate. This one is very late. Yeah, range crystal is at number 2, guys. Oh, I forgot to count it because I was looking at the crystal. Yeah, if you're a DPS, you can come back and hit. Don't stay at the crystal. Activate. Alright, Radiant Seed. You guys need to come over to marker number 1 with me. Alright, come over to number 1 with me. at the head of the dragon. Do not move. Alright. You can move the crystal with me is if you leave it on your head. It's fine. Okay, we lost like 2 people. Should be okay. Get ready to teleport. I think the next one is in the center. We have to go to the center, guys. Number 3. Come back. Get ready to teleport. Alright, it should come over momentarily. Okay, I'll try to move the dragon's head. Another set of crystals? Oh no, wait, use the tank buster. Get out of the group, tank. Okay, good. The AI is kind of weird this time. Yeah, the crystals, melee, center, range on the edge. Yeah, you can stay here if you want, it's okay. Okay, activate the crystals. Alright, perfect. Okay, go dump the poison anywhere on the edge. Don't have to go to the back. It's gonna slow you. Yeah, keep hitting. Yeah, don't move after teleport. Stay together. Oh, we lost quite a few. I think there's like a sheer damage on this one. Okay, we're like 20%. Yeah, if you're not close enough to the portal, I share the damage. Stay together. Okay, we don't lose anybody really. Okay, nice counter. Okay, tank buster again. That should be another set of crystals. Yeah. Range to the edge. Okay, perfect. Okay, got off the counter, so should be good to go on this one. Crystal activation is in like 5 seconds. Oh, too early. Probably fine. Keep hitting. Turn on auto. It should be good. Alright, we did it! Easy. Easy peasy. We fucked up a lot of things, but this raid is just too easy, man. Alright, GG's. On to the next group. Oh yeah, I forgot to do my plug. So I do stream on YouTube. It's the same tag as my in-game name, just received. If you want to join my raid, or catch my raid, best way to do so is subscribe to my channel or join my guild. Alright, see you guys later. Normal? Normal is pretty easy. You guys can manage on your own. I want to help more people get through hard. Used to see my blue archive, guys? Well, thanks, dude. Appreciate it.